let's talk about cleaning our lines. We rent this keg here at the store. We fill it with cleaning solution. We do about a half a gallon per tap. So if you have 2 taps, we'll fill it with a gallon of cleaning solution. And you're just gonna tap it just like you would your regular keg you get at the store. So you'll just tap it, down, pull down, let it fill with CO2. And then you'll see the video later on of how to run it through. So we've hooked it up to the middle tap. You want to get yourself a nice big bucket, and you're just going to pull and just keep going back and forth. You want to really clean those lines. You can push your finger up underneath here to kind of do some back pressure on it. You want to do about a half a gallon per tap, or a little less than half a gallon per tap. It's super simple. So we've cleaned this tap. Now we're cleaning this tap here. You can see the difference. These are forward sealing faucets. These are the rear sealing faucets, and I'm sure you guys have had a sticky tap handle if you have these. That's because beer gets stuck up in here. So we really want to back flush that if we can. So still same thing. We're gonna move it back and forth, but on this one, we want to push our finger up until you see it kind of coming out here. And what that's doing is we're really cleaning all that gunk and grime that might be up in there. We're just gonna keep going back and forth. You guys can let this run all the way out if you want, or what you could do, if you wanted to, you could turn the keg kind of on its side if you're satisfied with how clean it is. If you're good with it, you can shut it down, hook your beer up, and pour a little bit out until the cleaning solution comes out. This is a no rinse, it's a no rinse cleaner, so you don't have to rinse it if you want. So now it's run out, so we can still move back and forth, push that stuff up in there to kind of clean all that out some more. So that's the other option, is you can just let the keg run completely empty, and that will dry your lines out that way. And now you're ready to go. So simple as that. Once again, you can leave the fluid in the line and then tap your beer and then just push it out, throw away the first glass or half a glass. Or you can run it empty like you just saw there. Okay, when you return it, we would bring it depressurized. So just pull your little ring right here until all the CO2 is out. Once the CO2 is out, then depressurize it, decouple it, and bring it back to us. We rent them for $10 and then a $50 deposit for the keg. So this is the most important part. Make sure you don't forget this. Always enjoy good beer while you're cleaning your lines. Cheers.